I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, and this my video is related to upcoming NITI Bombay interviews and personal interviews, and I don't think GD will be there this year also. So as per the new little bit changes, I think in the NITI Bombay, earlier 31st March was the last date of application of the forms for PGDIE and PGDSM through gate, but I think now it is 2nd April till 5 o'clock in the evening. So that is today is the 1st April and 2nd April, that is by tomorrow, till tomorrow you can fill it up, that they have changed it now this date. And group discussion and personal interview, still they are writing GDPI, they are still writing GDPI. I do not know whether there will be GD or not, so that we will get to know soon. But yes, interview will be there. To 26th April to 30th April is the date. That means roughly we have now 25 days left. Now in this and the course begins in June. That is one of the first course which begins. So NITI Bombay is something which I really appreciate as a campus and a course. This is a really wonderful course, let me tell you that. I have not come across even a single alumni of NITI Bombay so far who is critic of this course, and this is a real value for money. The term alumni use of NITI are ROI, great ROI, return on investment. No doubt fee structure is there, scholarship is also given, fee structure is also there, but some students keep on asking, sir, we don't have money, we cannot, our parents cannot spend that much of money. How much money is required? That I will discuss with you later on at the time of joining. As of now, I think you were having money sufficient to fill the form. You have filled the form. Now if you have filled the form, let's prepare and get it converted. The moment you get selected and you have to take admission, that time we have to discuss whether I should take admission, especially knowing that the student who get into NITI are high gate scorer, so they've got other options also. I mean, other IITs also, public sectors also, they've got those options also. So that time we have to decide whether to go to NITI, knowing well that session will start in the June itself, and other PSU calls may come after June, or IITs will start their sessions. IITs will start the sessions in August or September. So June May your session starts in NITI. So you have to make a very important decision to join it or not, because money is invested. So that time I will discuss with you once you get selected. Suppose you do not get selected in the course, then there is no point discussing on this. So I will discuss that later on with you. As of now, what we should do is we should focus on this 26th to 30th of April preparation of the interview. And in the interview, if I talk about last year, last year it was one-way communication. Like there were 3 sections which popped up on the computer screens, and you were sitting in front of screen and you were to record your introduction for 5 minutes, and then 2 more section, each section giving you 3 topics. Out of those 3 you have to choose 2 topic and speak for 2.5 minutes each. So all the 3 sections were of 5 minutes. And first section introduction 5 minutes, second section 2 topics in 5 minutes, third 2 topics in 5 minutes. And these two topics were related to your general engineering or industrial engineering or current issues. So be aware about the current issues also. I have released the list of Feb current issues, and soon I'm going to release the comprehensive list from where questions can come. Now in NITI, YourPedia, YourPedia is the, I think, only platform which is preparing you for NITI Bombay for last many years, since the inception of YourPedia. And before YourPedia was born, I was born before that, obviously, so I was pulling it otherwise also in the offline. So it is last now 10-15 years, that is what I can say. We have been preparing for NITI Bombay together. Now I think why I'm showing you this, I like this particular advertisement on NITI site. What is the highest CTC, what is the average CTC? So ROI I was talking about is really, I mean, we should not see highest, or we should not see but median, to at least we can see CTC, median CTC. So that means 20 to 25 L per annum is something which we can target once we are in NITI. And it is not the question of what you start with. It is not the question that, sir, I got a job which is 20 lakh per annum, which I get in public sector also. But when you see the growth after 5 years, and that is, I'm not trying to be partial here, I'm trying to be impartial. When you see the growth after 5 years, and if you get into NITI, I'm very sure you are capable individual. And in the ecosystem, it is called God's own campus. Why? Because there's a transformation I have seen in the students. There's a different kind of transformation in the students, their confidence level, their communication the moment they join NITI. That is what I observed as a mentor. And you know what, that culture, or I think ecosystem of the NITI grooms you for really good career ahead. So if you start your career with 20 lakh per annum, which otherwise also you start in public sector, but when you see yourself after 5 years, this 20 might become 80, it might become 60, something like that. That kind of growth you do not expect in public sector. I'm not criticizing public sector here, that is your choice, but I'm just giving you my perspective here. So this is a great opportunity if you land up in this category and you want to go for this NITI Bombay. Prepare well, it is really good. And the preparation which you do for getting into NITI, similar kind of preparation is required in NITI first couple of months, June, July, August, September, till you get internship, and that is a paid internship. And students get very good salaries also, maybe 50,000, 60,000 per month internship, and that internship is the first thing you hit it. And students tell me that all effort of couple of months, 3-4 months, is before internship. After internship, the life is cool. I mean, you start getting money also, and then placement is not a problem there. So that is something which is good. And even during COVID, we can see this is the kind of things they are projecting. Even during COVID, so they can boast of all student placed, very good placements, etc. So placement should not be a trouble. And if you want great career, this is certainly the place for you. So put effort for that. We have 25 days left now. We have to prepare really nicely for that. And now let me tell you, there are so many students registered with your PDF for this particular module. But those of you who do not want to get registered and otherwise want to have one introductory session on personal interview or something with me, they are most welcome. That is what I am doing for the past many years now. As you know, 20% of services of your PDF are always free. So those of you who want one session with me in personal interview, your introduction, and the topics pop up on the screen, and all these things which actually is there in the NITI, please fill this Google form. Our executive will get back to you and accordingly fix a slot for you, and we can proceed ahead with that particular session. So that will be a wonderful session for us, learning on both sides. We will go for that. So certainly you please prepare for this. This is the first thing which will hit, the first result you will get, and it is worth writing, worth preparing. All the best.